Happy Thanksgiving! Today, we're giving thanks for vintage motorcycles. These machines aren't just about old-school tech or nostalgia. They represent craftsmanship, history, and the joy of riding something with character. In this video, I'm going to share why I'm thankful for vintage motorcycles from American, British, and Japanese manufacturers that shaped the motorcycling world. Before we get started, I'm thankful for you being here and that we share a passion for vintage motorcycles. So, what bike are you thankful for and why? Drop a comment and let me know. Let's kick things off with American motorcycles. Machines that are as much a symbol of freedom as they are of American engineering. One of my all-time favorites is the Harley-Davidson Panhead. The Panhead has a distinctive look that is just timeless. I'm thankful for bikes like the Panhead because they represent more than just mechanical innovation. They represent a lifestyle. For a lot of people, this bike was a way to escape, to experience the open road in a way that was completely new for the time. And then there's the Indian Chief. Now, Indian is one of the oldest American motorcycle brands, and the Chief is an absolute classic. It became known for its beautiful design, smooth ride, and impressive engine power. Even though Indian faced challenges over the years, the Chief stood out as a symbol of American craftsmanship, and the vintage models today are prized by collectors for their rare design and reliable performance. Next up, let's talk about the British vintage bikes. The UK has a rich history when it comes to motorcycle manufacturing, and a prime example of British engineering excellence is the Triumph Bonneville. It was built to be a fast, stylish, and reliable motorcycle, and it quickly became one of the most iconic bikes of the 1960s. What I love about the Bonneville is its simplicity. It's one of those bikes that proves less is more. The twin-cylinder engine is smooth and easy to work on, yet it delivers a riding experience that's both exciting and nostalgic. Any Bonneville fans out there? Then there's the BSA Gold Star, a British bike that's all about performance. The Gold Star was known for being one of the most successful racing bikes of its time. It dominated competitions and became a must-have for any serious motorcyclist. It was a bike built for speed and agility, and I'm thankful for bikes like this because they pushed the boundaries of what motorcycles could do. British motorcycles had a reputation for being reliable, fast, and stylish, and models like the Bonneville and Gold Star cemented their place in the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. Finally, let's talk about the Japanese motorcycles that revolutionized the industry in the 1960s and beyond. One bike that really stands out for me and one of my personal favorites is the Honda CB750, often considered the first superbike. It brought modern technology to the forefront with features that were revolutionary at the time. The CB750 not only marked a new chapter in motorcycle design, but it also showed the world that Japan could produce world-class motorcycles that could compete with the best from Europe and America. The CB750's impact on motorcycling is hard to overstate. It not only paved the way for countless other Japanese bikes, but it also helped to establish Honda as one of the leading motorcycle manufacturers in the world. I'm thankful for bikes like the CB750 because they changed the game. They brought high performance, reliability, and affordability to the masses, and they helped to spread the joy of motorcycling worldwide. Another standout is the Yamaha XS650. The XS650 was a simple, reliable, and very cool-looking bike, and it became one of Yamaha's most successful models. Known for its unique parallel twin engine, the XS650 is a popular choice for custom builds and cafe racers, and you can still find these bikes being restored and enjoyed today. What I love about the XS650 is its versatility. It was a great commuter bike, but it could also be easily turned into a racer or custom project. Japanese bikes like the CB750 and XS650 are so important because they brought an entirely new perspective to the motorcycle industry. They were affordable, well-built, and offered cutting-edge features that many thought were reserved for high-end European motorcycles. So, that's why I'm so thankful for vintage motorcycles. Whether it's the rebellious spirit of an American Harley, the British craftsmanship of a Triumph, or the innovation of a Japanese Honda, these bikes have shaped the world of motorcycling in ways we can't always see. Each one tells a story of a different time, a different place, and a different rider, and they're still bringing joy to people today. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast, I hope this video reminded you of why we love these classic machines. And if you haven't yet experienced the joy of riding a vintage bike, I definitely encourage you to check one out. There's nothing quite like it. And if vintage bikes is what you're into, check out my other video linked and consider subscribing so you won't miss out. Happy Thanksgiving!